Hi, viewers and subscribers of our Ubi channel. Today I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you the reason why you must always secure your router. Even if you have, um, given your Wi-Fi password, you need to still further protect your router from intruders. So this example, I've connected to my network, and me being an IT engineer. So example, I've gotten into an organization and then I want to find out if they are well protected. So this is what I often do. I have an application which scans your entire network and then it's able to tell me the number of hosts you have on your network. It's able to tell me the number of hosts you have on your network. Okay, so it gives me details of all the hosts on a Wi-Fi I've connected to. Okay, and it's able to give me some details of the Wi-Fi. But then I want to know if the network I'm connected to is secured. So I need to just come here. There's something I need to do. Um, um, this is quite different. Yes, this is quite different. But okay, good. So this is what it will happen. Now I want to know whether the Wi-Fi I've connected to is secured, as in the devices connected to this same Wi-Fi are secured. So there is just one thing that I need to do.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
All I have to do is to just find a way to penetrate through these ports here. Play with devices. And then if we should get hold of your device, you are doomed. So please secure yourself. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet again.